everyone, this is Faye. I'm gonna be showing you twice an inspired makeup tutorial today. So now, let's get started. I'm going to start by applying a illuminating primer all over my face and blend it out by using my fingers. And then I'm gonna be applying the foundation onto my face. Next, I'm gonna cover my dark circles with a cream concealer. After that, I'm gonna set it with a blue powder. Next, I'm gonna apply the shading powder onto the side of my nose to make it look higher. And also I'm gonna contour my face to make it look more dimensional. And then I'm gonna fill in my eyebrow with a eyebrow powder to create a natural looking eyebrow. And for sunglass look, I'm gonna make my eyebrows look thin. Moving on to the makeup, I'm gonna apply a light brown shade all over my eyelids as the base eyeshadow. And then I'm gonna apply the salmon brown color onto my eyelids. Next, I'm gonna apply this glittery reddish pink color on top of it. And then I'm going to make the eye makeup looks brighter by applying a light shimmery color eyeshadow onto the lower lid. Now I'm gonna line my eyes with a black pen liner and make the line as thin as possible for the natural look. And then I'm gonna shade the outer corner of my eyes a little bit to give it more depth illusion. And next I'm gonna line my waterline with a medium brown liner, and this is actually an eyebrow pen. And then I'm gonna apply the natural type falsies, choose the one with medium length and thickness. And after that, I'm going to apply the mascara to stick the eyelashes together and also apply it a little bit onto my bottom lashes. And then I'm going to apply a shimmery color blusher slightly onto my teeth. Next, I'm going to apply the highlighter onto the bridge of my nose. Last, for the lips, I'm going to apply this Ruby and Brad lip tint all over my lips. And the makeup is done. This is the finished look. What do you think about this sunless makeup? If you like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and thank you for watching. Bye!